Man,
Man,
a lot of snow.
tons of snow. And this isn't light stuff, this is the deep stuff too.
Let's go! Life's like a movie, lights, camera, action. Put your mind to it, live the life that you imagine. Life's like a movie, lights, camera, action.
Someone say special delivery.
Life's like a movie, lights, camera.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode we are going to be unveiling the 400EX XC build right behind us. I'm pretty excited to show you guys what it looks like. The only thing you've seen is the frame, but now we're going to show the plastics, the graphics and everything else to come with it.
Just want to give a shout out to everybody that's helped us out with this build. If you guys haven't been following up, take a look on our channel, like, share and subscribe. Follow up on the TRX400 build, guys. You're going to really love it. But thank you very much to everybody that's helped us, sponsored us and pushed us forward to doing this build and everything like that. So if you like it, give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoy the review, guys.
And you are lucky that we were able to do this today, because unfortunately we had some crazy weather last night. We got about 8 inches of snow along with some lightning
Whoa.
and thunder.
When I checked it, I maxed out at 3 inches.
What am I?
Your brother maxed out in the snow.
In 3 inches. Hey, new record.
New record.
I'm an overachiever.
And underachieving. So anyway, yeah, we were able to we all made it here safely. Unfortunately, due to the amount of snow, we're gonna have to show you a ride video later. It's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
But we'll get to that later video, guys, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Yep.
Stay tuned for that, and let's get to the reveal.
And hit the notification bell.
Definitely.
Yep.
That way you know what we're doing.
Alright, I'm gonna get out the way.
He's gonna get out of the way. Ready? Ready?
You guys ready for this?
Drum roll.
3,
Alright.
2,
3, 2,
1.
1.
Woo! Look at that! Yeah, boy! Oh. That big ball is really kicking in.
This is the worst reveal ever.
I'm telling you, yeah.
Battery's not even charged.
As you can see, we have a big group of us today. We want to introduce and thank MOXC. So we're going to introduce everybody.
Jason Cottrell, Chairman of MOXC.
Jeremy Fellows, Co-Chair, MOXC.
Todd Jenkins, Head Promoter, MOXC.
So we greatly want to appreciate and thank MOXC for joining us today. And once again, that's the whole reason why we did the 3 machines for the XC build, is because we're going to be racing not just this one, but the other 2 with Miles and Dave and myself in MOXC this year. It's the first season MOXC is going to be around. So if you guys are not on the Facebook group, go ahead and join. If you guys are into racing in Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, anywhere close by, you guys want to join, you're more than welcome to. We are expecting a lot of riders this season, a lot of new tracks and more tracks to come. We have updated racing equipment and a whole bunch of stuff coming. So we're going to be doing the Unveil and the 400XC build today, and what better than to have MOXC with us today. So we're going to do it and hope you guys enjoy. We have three great machines today. Hope you guys enjoyed the build series for the 400XC series. EXC series. Man, try to say that 10 times fast. But as you can see, we have the ASAC shocks on there. Once again, we want to thank ALBA for giving us a promotional code. Don't forget it's Zoom. It's good for 10% off their website. Also want to thank 919 Designs. They did a great, amazing job on the graphics. Completely killed it. I mean, everything the guy does is amazing. Turnaround time is amazing. Also want to thank Craig Signs for doing this beautiful wrap on the 400. I mean, you guys probably can't see it because it's a camouflage design. A lot of people don't like it, but we think it looks amazing, and he did a great job on it. So thank you to that. We also want to thank everybody else that helps us with the build. We want to thank JK Racing for the quick start buttons. Link will be in the description, guys. Once again, if you do not have this button, you are losing. I mean, he's getting the whole shots out of every race. He's got tons of awards, GNCC. I mean, this button is definitely where it's at. There's a whole bunch of people that helped us with the build. But once again, guys, we just want to thank MOXC for helping us with the build, for setting it up. And if you guys are into racing and want to join, we'll put a link in the description to the Facebook page and the website. Time is running out to join. It is April 29th. We have a training day at Thompson Camp. So if you're in the Michigan area or surrounding areas and you want to join, come stop by that day. Come see what MOXC is all about. We have future videos coming out. We also have the oil cooler system that we're prototyping. We also have the rear dual piston caliper on the rear to help with that extra stopping power, because we have the 440 big bore kit with the stage 2 cam, port and polished head. We have a dyno day coming up, so we're going to show how much power that's putting down along with the Warrior. Also want to thank Rich King Powder Coating for doing an amazing job on the powder. He knocked it out the park once again. As you can see, he did the Warrior build too. So guys, let us know what you think about the builds. Comment down below. We have new builds on the way, so if you haven't already, hit the community page. We have a new build. Vote for the next color. Voting is going to be closing pretty soon. I think there's 2 weeks left. So vote for the next color choice on the next bold. Seeing as no one's heard it, I think we're going to start it up.
MOXC, co-chair. I'm just here at Zoom. I wanted to say hello to everybody out there. Beautiful facility, great individuals. Please support those who support us. Richard asked me to say a few words, and quite frank, I'm going to be like I normally am. I'm not going to try to pump up the series. We're all learning together. It's an exciting time. So what we want to do is really focus on who we are and what we are, and where we can take this. And quite frankly, we see some other series, and I'm just talking in Michigan, that don't even take the time to say spectate a GNCC event, let alone race in it. And where I'm at is I'm trying to bring a little of that back to Michigan. Have it so where we have tracks that are 7 to 10 miles long. Have it for full XC racing, and not a hybrid. We want to take this, and my business plan along with Jason and Todd is keep this as much as XC as possible. And to be transparent, like I said, GNCC is our benchmark. We understand we'll never be there because they're a massive machine, but we're taking learnings from that in order to try to gain what we can do. As far as why I'm still in this, by the way, as a kid, it helped me out tremendously. It kept me out of trouble. Not all trouble, but trouble. It was my way of releasing out in the woods some of the aggression. And I see that in some of the other young kids in our racing too. And I wanted to bring that back before I retire. And also with that, as an adult, I'm wrenching on the bikes. I'm putting new parts on like Richard and Miles were showing you here. Keeping me out of trouble there too. Keeping me out of the bars and doing something positive. And then being able to take a creation out on those tracks that we're trying to create. So when you look at the overall schedule, you look at what we're doing now at MOXC with the support of Zoom, a tremendous amount of support of Zoom. You can see what we're trying to create. And it's not about the competition. It's about trying to create something that we think the XC community, the ATV community can thoroughly enjoy. Something to a higher level relative to what we feel we can do best with who we have and what we have. And with that said, community effort. Everyone, we need everyone's help. It's not an us for you, it's an all community effort in order to enable this to happen. We sincerely appreciate everyone's support as we go through this and understanding as we build together, and also how we support each other relative to the track builds, sometimes financing where we have to pay up front, and overall, reach out to us if need be. And let us know when you have those questions. And when you do, one thing we ask too is if you have a question or a problem, try to bring a solution with that too. Again, back to the community effort, how you can help us help you. Okay, so again, I thank you very much for your time. Welcome to MOXC. See you on the track.
Hi, I'm Todd. I'm the promoter for MOXC. I've started out with these guys back in November. I seen that they needed help in a certain part of MOXC, and I said I will jump in and say, hey, let's get this thing rolling in the right direction. So I jumped aboard and started making phone calls upon phone calls, hours and hours of work, and miles of driving to each one of these venues that we've located. I've been to Lincoln, I've been to Copamish, Twisted Trails Off-Road Park, I've been all the way down to Adrian. These facilities are top notch. These people came to us and I went to them with their arms wide open, and they opened their doors and said, let's make this happen. Let's make this series go on. Same with the sponsors. I mean, it's in and out phone calls, talking to people overseas at night, 6 o'clock in the morning. Phone never stops ringing. Sponsors wanting to come and help us. It's a whole different level of racing. I've been racing since 1998. My first ever big race was the Pontiac Silverdome. I remember getting a waiver signed by my mom, thinking, hey, can you sign this paper for me? I want to go racing. I think I was 15, 16. Didn't even have a driver's license at the time. I just remember ripping across the parking lot, out at the Silverdome. A lot of people don't know what the Silverdome is, which nowadays it's the Amazon building of Pontiac. Going from there, I just built it and I had a full-size motocross track, supercross track in my yard, and just racing, and nobody in the family ever really raced, and I just took it to a whole different level. And coming into these guys, I've always been a quad guy. 90% of all my friends are dirt bike guys, and I said, well, I'm in it for the quads. Let's do this. So it came here, and here I am with these two guys, Jeremy and Jason, and we're building it. It's getting stronger every day. If you want to sponsor it, come call me. I will sit here with my arms wide open. I want to hear what you got. So thank you.
All right, guys. Jason Cottrell here, Chairman MOXC. A lot of you know me. A lot of you may not, the newer guys. First, I want to thank Jeremy Fellows, the co-chair, for what he provided earlier. Also want to thank Todd Jenkins, the promoter, for what he provided. Just wanted to touch base on a couple more things. MOXC is we kind of strive around family atmosphere. What we're looking for is not just a single guy that wants to come out and race. And while that's fine too, but we like seeing the families, you know, the husband and the wife and the kids. And even if they don't race, Jeremy kind of touched base on that too. We want to see spectators. And, you know, let's touch base about the training day at Camp Thompson that we have coming up, April 29th. We're going to have a lot of top level guys. We'll have Jeremy Fellows, who is a Michigan State champion 2022 for XC. Todd Jenkins will be out there as well, who is a MX champion. We'll have Chase Allison, GNCC rider, out there. Going to be a lot of opportunities, guys, to if you're just getting into this, or even if you've been into this for a few years and you're just looking to take it to that next level, right? You know, maybe you need some tips on where to sit on the quad, or leaning going into a corner, or proper setup for your suspension, or, you know, toe in, toe out. A lot of opportunities coming up in the MOXC world to get started and advance yourself in your ATV racing. Look forward to meeting everybody. Look forward to seeing everybody again. And we'll hope to see a lot of you out at Camp Thompson, April 29th.
Alright guys, so that's it for this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Once again, we want to thank everybody who helped with the build. But also, we really enjoyed this, and we're looking forward to future builds. We're looking forward to racing this season in the MOXC.
So on the next video, Richard took a day trip over to LeBaron's and had both his bike and the Warrior build dynoed. So you get to see a lot of that. And we'll actually see what numbers they kind of put out.
Yeah.
Guys, just want to give a nice shout out to everybody that's helped us out with these builds. They come out amazing. We are very happy with them. We hope that you are too. If you like this kind of stuff, give us a thumbs up, comment below, let us know what you guys think. Once again, we want to thank Jeremy, Jason, Jess, and Todd from the MOXC community for joining us. Thank you very, very much. And guys, we're going to catch you guys on the next one.
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. I'll do it right.
I'm right off.
No. No. Okay. You stay. Stay.
Stay.
Bye. Bye.
Remember how
Been working since I was a kid, I just gotta keep my head up. Running, I'm never gonna let up. Never feed the haters cause they fed up. They still tryna find a way to win. I the guy that's running up again. I don't need a rollie on my wrist. Perfect timing, God with the assist. I've been working since I was a kid.